donut, please. Down in the ocean, come with me. What amazing sounds will there be? Let's dive deep beneath the sea and learn who lives so happily. The dolphin says ee, ee, ee. The dolphin says ee, ee, ee. Jumping high so wild and free, playing games beside the sea. The whale says ooh, ooh, ooh. The whale says ooh, ooh, ooh. Big and gentle, strong and wise, singing songs that fill the skies. The crab says click, click, click. The crab says click, click, click. Sideways walking on the sand, snip, snap, claws go click by hand. The octopus goes swish, swish, swish. The octopus goes swish, swish, swish. 8 long arms that twirl around, making bubbles where it's found. The turtle says The turtle says Slow and steady, calm and bright, gliding softly through the light. Dolphin, whale, crab, octopus too. Turtle waves goodbye to you. What fun sound!